Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Fahrenheit herbicide. First, ensure you're targeting actively growing broadleaf weeds for the best results. This powerful herbicide is designed to tackle a wide range of tough weeds. Remember, always include a non-ionic surfactant in your mix. It significantly improves the herbicide's ability to penetrate the weed's surface, making your application much more effective. Following these initial steps sets you up for success. Now, let's talk about mixing and application rates. For larger areas, a broadcast application requires mixing 3 to 6 ounces of Fahrenheit herbicide per acre. If you're tackling smaller, isolated patches, use 0.2 to 0.4 ounces per gallon of water for spot treatments. Always ensure your spray solution is thoroughly agitated before and during application to maintain an even distribution of the product. This precision helps achieve consistent weed control. To maximize Fahrenheit's effectiveness, timing is crucial. Apply when air temperatures are consistently between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. Avoid applying if you anticipate rainfall within 1 hour of treatment, as this can wash away the product before it's absorbed. Also, refrain from mowing treated areas for at least 2 days following application. This allows the herbicide sufficient time to translocate throughout the weeds, ensuring better control. Finally, safety and proper storage are paramount when using any herbicide. Always wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves and eye protection, to prevent exposure. Store Fahrenheit herbicide in its original container in a cool, dry, and well-ventilated area, away from direct sunlight. Most importantly, ensure it is kept securely out of reach of children and pets. Always refer to the product label for complete safety guidelines.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.